Now back to our coverage on Iryna's law that went into effect December of 2025.
The law designed to keep certain defendants behind bars until a judge reviews their cases, already drawing mixed reactions.
And News 13's Shelly Garzone reports.
It's been 6 months since Iryna's law went into effect in North Carolina after the fatal stabbing of Iryna Zarutska, a Ukrainian refugee, on a Charlotte light rail by a repeat offender. Local defense attorneys say they already see its impacts in courtrooms and beyond.
And we've seen a pretty substantial jump in population. We're only 6 months into this law, and we've already seen the jail population increase. I had a client who's being charged locally here in Buncombe County, and he was being housed in the middle of the state because the jail was so full they couldn't hold him here.
The law changes North Carolina's pretrial release process. For certain serious crimes, a judge must review the case and set release conditions before a defendant can get out of jail. The law aims to keep people who may pose a danger to the public from being automatically released after an arrest, which supporters say is necessary.
I think the citizens feel safer knowing that that's in place, that simply that when someone's arrested, that their past history of crime or mental health will be looked at, and something will be put in place in pretrial release to address the issue.
Defense attorneys argue the law has consequences beyond overcrowding.
By the end of it, everybody agrees they've done nothing wrong, but that person's set in jail for 18 months while the prosecutor worked through hundreds of cases to get to that one case and finally make a decision on it. Justice moves slowly.
Supporters say the legislation provides additional protection for victims.
The whole system needs to be looked at, but we do need to prioritize those that have in the past created violent crimes, that have committed violent crimes, and we cannot be releasing them when they commit a crime and they're arrested, releasing them back into society without holding some kind of pretrial release.
It doesn't matter if you have a good defense. It doesn't matter if law enforcement has done very little investigation into it and they charge you as a placeholder, you're in jail until your charge is resolved.
In Asheville, Shelly Garzone, News 13.